Hi, this is Megan Friedel from the Wisconsin Center for the Blind and Visually Impaired. In this video, I am going to share a quick and easy way to clean your glasses. This method will also work for sunglasses. This video was created based upon the American Printing House for the Blind's The Quick and Easy ECC Curriculum. Cleaning your glasses is an important part of maintaining them. If your glasses are dirty, it will be more difficult to see through them. Keeping your glasses clean also helps keep them from getting scratched. And finally, when you wear clean glasses, it helps keep your appearance neat and tidy. To clean your glasses with a microfiber cloth, simply pick up your glasses, unfold the arms, which are also known as temples. Pick up your microfiber cloth. Go ahead and fold the cloth over one lens at a time of the glasses. Pinch the microfiber cloth on each side, one side with your thumb and then the other side with 2 fingers. Hold the glasses firmly with your other hand, either on the rims outside of your lenses or on the temple, and then simply move your thumb around the lens in a circular motion. And then go ahead and use your pointer finger and your middle finger and rub the other side of your glasses. Once you have covered the front and the back of your lenses, go ahead and repeat the process on your other lens. So simply fold the microfiber cloth over both sides of the lens, pinch with your thumb on one side and your pointer and middle finger on the other, and then move your fingers in a circular motion until you feel your glasses are clean enough. If you do not have a microfiber optical cloth available at your home, microfiber optical lens cloths are available online or sometimes for free at your eye care professional. It is very important to only use microfiber cloths to clean your glasses. Please do not use a paper towel, as these can scratch your glasses when cleaning them. Once you are confident in your ability to clean your glasses, challenge yourself and make it a habit to do so every day at the same time. Thanks for watching.